And now I'm not alone. I'm now with the captain of Amelia Academy, Chilis, known as Chilis to many of the fanatics out there. Chilis, bafana siyakubingelela namhlanje. Mfana, khuluma nathi, how was the experience to league yenu mphathi and enijabule kanjani?
Mina team yami sijabule kakhulu futhi bengekho easy siswele tournament besilo asicompete namathapeni oSpurs because isikhathi qala igame siconsider igoli eli1 but azange saphela amandla sibuyile futhi sakhona kuwin 3-0 3-1.
Mphathi tuke game yanamhlanje coach maniqhubekela phambili ngiphi message bekathi coach Mangabhiza ngicugcutela ngayo kusukela kuqala ileague ukuthi sisuka le ekuthi sida kudlala lana mphathi la khona lana emathafeni nisuka lekutheni mphathi ngiphi message bekathi coach Mangasola ngineta yona
Bathi coach Simanga Machita noma yini inhlangana nayo noma iphi pressure Machita as long bahamba Machita le ndito bayini.
Mphathi imood ejimini beyihloli kanjani for the entire season knowing very well ukuthi ngigijimisa ileague ngifuna kuyiwina ngifuna kujabulisa abatali bonke ngifuna nani ukuthi khulisa nani nibadlali mphathi beyisolo injani imood endenyalo lokuthi finally ma sacrifices lebekade nisolo niwenda they were worth it nyalo niwinile ileague mphathi kunento ntive njani lokho mphathi
Akusena sitive sijabulile futhi i training yethu isitrainer lekhaya iba intense kakhulu yeah because Kosimanga utosetha starting lineup sakhe and starting lineup sakhe uthi sina 5 minutes ukuthi score 5 goals singahluleka lokho punishment lokho kungichaze kakhulu ngoba usenda ukuthi sijoyina segaming ukuthi noma bas leader siconsider goals tokhona kubuya
bafana sesicubekela phambili kulo mbuto yethu bafana ucubekela phambili nduna yami indlela lendlale ngayo le season lena mphathi ngiphi nginede 33 magama yokusummarize i-season lena lengasho ukuthi unawo mphathi yami or line sentence longaba nayo kusho ukuthi okay there's le sentence lena kumbe le quote lena mphathi isamapha i-season yami ne-season ye-Amelia Academy.
For mina ngathi season bekahle sidlalile asikaluzanga amagame lamaningi futhi so ngiproud ngeMachita ami sesiyendile lento sokusele ekuqaleni sasafika nyale ekugcineni.
Chilis captain ye-Amelia Football Academy under 15 sibonga kakhulu kuba nawo mbunduna yami.
Ngiyabonga nangu kuba nawo.